When you or your students click into your course, you'll arrive at the course homepage. This is the hub of your course and the first thing students will see once they arrive there. Inside the course, the D2L minibar remains visible at the top of the page. You can use this to jump to any of your other courses or to view notifications in D2L Mail. The course nav bar has been changed to group many of the useful D2L tools under drop-down menus, which allow for easier access to you and your students. The course content link takes you to your course table of contents. The activities drop-down links the main tools students will use in D2L, such as Dropbox, quizzes, and discussions. The people drop-down links to tools that pertain to user management or collaboration, like ClassList, Groups, and Collaborate. The grades drop-down links to user assessment tools, such as the Gradebook and User Progress. Help directs users either to instructor help or student help resources. And finally, Course Settings is an instructor link that directs you to the other D2L resources and tools that you may want to use. The new course homepage consists of 2 columns. The smaller right side widgets are Activities and Content, Calendar, Library Resources, and Role Switch. Activities and Content is a widget that mirrors anything you add to the table of contents in your course content page. The Calendar widget displays calendar items such as due dates in a Dropbox folder or quiz availability, and any custom items that you add to the calendar tool will appear here. The Library Resources widget is a custom-built widget that connects resources from the library to your course. It contains a library search box and helpful links, and it can also include links to any course guides or library reserves if they're available. The last widget in this column is the Role Switch widget. This is where you'll be able to change your role and see what it's like to view your course as a student. To switch to the student role, simply select Student from the My Role drop-down menu and then click Change Role. This is a useful tool in testing restrictions that you've set in your course. Remember to change back to your role by selecting Faculty from this widget, or simply leave the course and you'll return to your original role. The larger column on the left contains the News widget. This is a place where you can post announcements to your students. Because it takes up such a prominent area on the course homepage, it's a great place to get students' attention on important topics. To add a news item, click the drop-down arrow next to News and select New News Item. Type a headline and use the editor to create content in the news item. You can also customize the availability of the news item and add attachments. Once you've finished, click Publish, and the item will appear within the widget of your home page. If you don't plan on using the News widget, it may still be a good idea to add a small introduction message here for your course.